there YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luvuno K and I am so glad to have you here in my channel. You don't even know. Thank you so much. Also, I am so grateful for the love and support that you've shown me and my channel, for watching all of my content, subscribing and commenting. I am so grateful. I even lack words to explain how I feel right now. You guys are just too kind. Thank you so much. I am grateful and I love all of you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. And I hope you enjoy the video and that it gives you some ideas on meals you can cook for yourself too. So without further ado, let me just meet you in the video. Thank you so much. This ain't over. Again, welcome to the vlog fam. Thank you so very much for the support you've given me. I am so overwhelmed, so overwhelmed. Blessings upon blessings on you. So right now I'm just going to grill some bread. I'm going to toast it in the oven and I'm just going to have it with some tea. So I'm just going to spread some strawberry jam on the bread, and this has been my guilty pleasure, guys. I've been eating this almost every mid-morning. It has been my guilty pleasure. Try it also. I guarantee you will love it. So guys, for some reason I don't like milk tea, so today I just prepared some black tea with some lemongrass in it, and also I like to add my sugar while the tea is cooking so that I don't add it after I'm done cooking. Also, I think I don't like milk tea because I associate it with breakfast, and I also don't like breakfast. Welcome to my life, guys. So also I don't usually eat fruits in the morning. I don't think even if I normally eat a lot of fruits. I'm trying to change that, but I won't lie, I don't normally eat fruits in the morning. But I've had this watermelon in the fridge and I want to finish it all, so I'm just going to have it with this breakfast. So for lunch I was craving some viazi karai, so that's what I'm preparing right now. So from here I'm just going to leave the captions for all the processes that I'm making. So now my viazi are ready. I'm going to serve them with some ukwaju or tamarind. I came with this ukwaju from home, and I made it with just the tamarind, some water, some pepper, some ginger and some garlic. So for dinner, I'm going to be making some cabbage in meat, and I'm going to have it with some ugali. So again, I'm going to leave you here with some captions. So this is not part of cooking, but once I'm done cooking my dinner, I normally like to tidy up the kitchen. So that is the gas stove, cooker, and also the dishes that I use to cook the dinner, so that I leave a clean and fresh kitchen for use the next morning. So that's it for the video. That's what I eat in a day. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned a few things. And I hope to see you next week. Bye.